Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I present the video Scratch Programming Jasper's Birthday Party. Okay children? First, see the stage. In this stage, I gave the backdrop birthday party. When you click the button, you see many backdrop stages. I click birthday party backdrop and kept in the stage. I select 5 sprites character for the party. When you click the choose a sprites, there are so many sprites in these blocks. You can select any sprites you like. I select Jasper the dog, Kitty the cat, Dot the puppy, unicorn and a birthday cake. You can select what you like. Okay? Let's go back to video. First sprite, happy birthday Jasper, birthday cake. Okay children? When we click the events blocks, you can see many blocks in this area. I drag when flag clicked into the scripts area and we gave the command happy birthday or hello or welcome, any other. So you can select control blocks. When you see there is forever blocks in this area, drag the forever blocks underneath when flag clicked and kept in scripts area. Then you can give happy birthday Jasper. Go to looks motion. You see say hello for 2 seconds. I drag these blocks into the script area and I type happy birthday Jasper. I gave clear sound effects in sound blocks because when you record the sound will clearly you can hear. Then I drag play sound until done blocks underneath clear sound effects. I recorded the voice. When you click this, there is a birthday and a record. When you click the record, you can see the record box. When you click this record button, you can record your voice, what you like, what you wish. Then you can save and go to this code. Then click this birthday arrow mark. Then you can select recording 1. You can see the recording 1. You can click this when the voice will come out. When I click when flag clicked, you can hear a music and a happy birthday Jasper. You can hear the music children. Okay. Next go to Jasper the birthday boy. Jasper welcomes everyone for his birthday party. I select drag forever blocks in the script area, and when you goes to looks, you can select say hello for 2 seconds and play a sound. You record your own voice. I go to random position because Jasper was happy on his birthday. He is enjoying. I gave wait 1 second command because slowly he will roll and active. When I click the
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, Jasper welcome his friends.
Hello everyone.
And go to Kitty.
Hello everyone.
And go to Dot and unicorn. You can hear this.
Hello everyone.
When you stop this, you can drag Jasper into same place. like this. Then dot. I gave same as well Jasper and happy birthday candles for our blocks. Say hello Jasper for 2 seconds. I type hello Jasper and I play sound recording sound for dot the puppy. In this recording my younger son Mikilesh record this happy birthday Jasper. When I click this you can hear this sound.
Hello, Jasper.
Hello Jasper. He said hello Jasper. Sorry. When you click,
Hello, Jasper.
he is greeting Jasper. And he said happy birthday to Jasper. When I click this, you can hear this.
Happy birthday, Jasper. Happy birthday, Jasper.
I gave turn 15 degrees. The dog will
Happy
turn
birthday,
around the
Jasper.
clockwise, anti-clockwise direction.
Happy birthday, Jasper.
Then go to Kitty. Same as well as happy birthday Jasper and dot. When you click this, you can hear
Hello,
Kitty
Jasper.
the cat, hello Jasper, greeting his friend Jasper.
Hello,
And
Jasper.
he wishes Jasper a happy birthday.
Wish
And I
you
gave
happy birthday,
go
Jasper.
to random position.
Wish you
Kitty
happy birthday, Jasper.
jumping happily around the birthday party area.
Wish you happy birthday, Jasper.
Then unicorn. Jasper, Kitty told to Jasper, there is a surprise birthday for you. You can hear this.
Jasper, there is a surprise for you.
Then Jasper said, what? What you thought? What will Jasper say? Yes, I love surprises. Jasper said, I love surprises.
I love surprises.
Can you hear this, children?
I love surprises.
Yes. Then go to Kitty. Kitty told Jasper that he invite unicorn came to his friend's Jasper birthday to bless him. When you click this, you can hear the sound.
Unicorn came here to bless you.
Kitty told this to Jasper.
Unicorn came here to bless you.
Then everyone wishes Jasper the happy birthday and they give you a surprise, and unicorn come to his birthday party and surprised him. When I click this, unicorn tell hello Jasper and happy birthday to Jasper. In this voice, happy birthday Jasper, my elder son Sarvesh gave the voice. When I clicked this, you can hear the sound.
Happy birthday, Jasper.
Happy birthday Jasper. I gave glide
Happy
1 second
birthday,
to random
Jasper.
position so that unicorn will move every places
Happy birthday, Jasper.
and blesses everyone in this area.
Happy birthday, Jasper.
When I drag this like here, I clicked this. Unicorn
Happy
said
birthday, Jasper.
hello Jasper. So you can hear hello Jasper. When
Happy
you drag,
birthday, Jasper.
sorry, what wrong did I do? Okay, now you will hear hello Jasper. Hello Jasper. You can see hello Jasper in this video. Okay, I did not give the sound for hello Jasper. Sorry for my mistake. Okay, children. Okay children, when flag clicked, you can hear happy birthday Jasper, unicorn said to Jasper, and you can see the text in hello Jasper, birthday wishes. He wishes him the birthday wishes. When you click, you can
Happy
see
birthday, Jasper!
the hello Jasper in this happy birthday Jasper and hello Jasper, unicorn.
Happy
Go
birthday,
into this
Jasper!
random position in the birthday area. You can
Happy
see
birthday, Jasper! Happy birthday, Jasper!
you can drag and kept it here. Okay, then when go back to Kitty, when you click when flag clicked, Kitty recording happy birthday Jasper and go to random position. You can see when you clicked
Wish you happy birthday, Jasper. Wish you happy
Kitty
birthday,
wishes Jasper a
Jasper.
happy birthday wishes. Here you can
Wish you
see a
happy
text
birthday,
happy
Jasper.
birthday Jasper.
Wish you happy birthday, Jasper.
Kitty runs around in the area
Wish you
in
happy
birthday
birthday,
party.
Jasper.
You can
Wish you
see
happy
that?
birthday, Jasper.
Okay. Let's go to Jasper. Jasper, thanks to his friends for came to his birthday party and he enjoying this day. Okay, when I click this forever, he say thank you Kitty, thank you Dot and thank you Unicorn and record a voice to wish thanks his friends. When you click this, you can hear the sound and a text. Thank you Kitty, thank you Dot, thank you Unicorn.
Thank you,
Jasper said
Kitty
this.
Dot Unicorn, for coming to my birthday. I really enjoyed today. Thanks for the surprise. Thank you.
You hear this, children? Okay. Next, zoom this backdrop stage. You can see the characters clearly. When I click the flag, you can hear everyone's happy birthday sound wishes to Jasper, Unicorn, Kitty and Dot. They wishes him a happy birthday. When you click the flag,
Wish you happy birthday, Jasper.
birthday
Wish
candle
you happy
sound.
birthday, Jasper.
Happy birthday, Jasper! Happy
Wish you
birthday!
happy birthday, Jasper.
You can see the text
Happy birthday!
and
Wish you
hear
happy
the
birthday,
voice,
Jasper.
hear the sound.
Happy birthday!
Wish you happy birthday, Jasper.
Happy birthday, Jasper!
Wish you happy birthday, Jasper.
Happy birthday!
When you click this
Wish you
stop, the music will stop and click this, you can see the full screen. Okay children, I think you all enjoyed today seeing this video, Jasper's birthday party. This is very easy. You can create your own story like this. You can select any sprites you like and you can select any backdrop stage you can like and give this command what you like, what you want to told, what you talk to your friends, to our family. Okay children, recording your voice, text the message, anything you can do this with your own knowledge. Okay children, see you on the next video. Okay, bye.